other video, we talked about the things we disliked about our van or the things that we'd change. So this week, we're going to talk about things we actually do like about our van, because there's quite a lot of them. So we'll go through those with you.
Go Bruce.
Yay! Okay. Something we do really like about our van is the appliances that we have. I was kind of a hater on the mini fridge at first, meaning I was definitely a hater and thought we should just have a cooler, but I'm so grateful for the mini fridge, and not just fridge, but mini freezer too. We use both of these all the time. It's usually completely stuffed and things are like falling out as we're driving because we use it so much. So love the mini fridge. And then along with that is our toaster oven / air fryer. We don't get to use it for a ton of time just because it takes a lot of solar power, but 5 minutes every morning to make bagels or toast is so much better than cold toast or raw bagels or anything like that. So very grateful for these two things. Go for it.
Let's kill a bug.
Another thing about van life is we get lots of bugs and we smash them right against our white walls. That's why we have so many stains.
One of my favorite things about our van was an idea from our buddy Christian, was to have magnetic cabinet doors. So check this out. I'll do it in slow motion.
Your slow motion face is terrible.
That looks pretty good. But we have magnets here and here, so now, boom, look how easy that is. Most people have little locks in here, and they gotta be all like flimsy and stuff. Boom, done, right? And it's strong enough so that when we're driving and stuff, they're not like flopping open, but they're not so hard that I have to be like the Hulk to open my cabinet.
If you remember back to our van tour, I kind of opened this cupboard and talked about my potty that was in there and how I was going to use it, but I had to clean it. Well, because I had to clean it, I never used it. So we returned that and came up with the pee funnel. And now it's one of our favorite things about the van because it makes going to the bathroom so easy. You basically just stick it out the door, right down a gutter. You can go pee right into this funnel. It's great. It's changed my van life, seriously. After like the first 2 weeks, it was such a pain to find a bathroom that was open. I'd have to go in the middle of the night. I felt like a dog just going behind trees all the time. The pee funnel changed my life.
All right, Neen, show them how it's done.
Oh my gosh. Please no.
Show them how it's done.
Jay
You have
thinks
to.
it's so funny and he laughs at me and we have no boundaries anymore because of it. You just hold it up and stick it out the door. It's not that hard.
No, you gotta like do the full thing. This is a POV. This is what I look at every night.
This is like too intimate for the YouTube channel.
Without a doubt, the best thing about our van and the most expensive part of our van was our solar setup. So do not skimp on this because this is what allows us to power our power strip. We got all of our devices charging on this, our fridge, our oven, all of our lights, our fan. We have plenty of coworkers that do van life without any of those things, and it just sounds like an absolute nightmare. So we are so thankful for electricity.
Another thing we really love about our van that just kind of worked out perfectly is the storage underneath the bed. So we got these bins from IKEA and they just fit super perfectly. We've got a few different sizes and we can store so much underneath there, from our shoes, technology, extra toiletries, things like that. It's great and it really helps maximize that space to get as much under the bed and out of sight as possible.
You gotta say your line about your favorite part.
Jay's favorite part might be the solar, but my favorite part is my husband.
Yeah, it is. She really loves me.
Not really, he made me say that.
Shut up. You're not supposed to say that part. But thanks for checking out our 5 best things that we like about our van. Let us know down in the comments if you agree or disagree with how we did our van build. If you like it, if you don't, if you want to do the same thing for your van build. And don't forget to subscribe. We're so close to 100 subscribers. We need the custom URL. Help us get there. Share with your friends. And happy van build.
Thanks. Jay, show them how you turn on the lights every night, or turn them off when we're going to bed. Wow.
Pretty cool, huh?
Alright, what did we just decide?
Our honorable mention would definitely be a little dimmer switch over here, with this cute little stained wood cutout, because it's super convenient to reach with your toes and be able to shut them off.